Hello and welcome back, everyone. So today we're going to be doing lobster tails. I already cleaned them and washed them up already. And if you're not for sure how to do it, then I'll attach the video link down below. So right now we're just going to go ahead and baste them up and put them in the oven. We're going to broil them. No, actually I'm going to bake them. I think I want them baked. So I got them situated in the pan. And with the seasoning, I just have some butter here. I'm going to go in with some Tony Saturn's Creole seasoning. I'm not going to really season the meat right now because, as far as the meat itself, because later on I'm going to actually make a garlic butter sauce to go on the top of it. So that's going to be another layer of seasoning. So what I just put in was paprika, and this is thyme. And we're going to go with onion powder. I have chopped up a little parsley. And we're going to go with a little bit of minced garlic. Don't do too much of that. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and mix all of that up. And next what we want to do is baste the top of the lobsters with the sauce. Also, when you basting these lobsters, so you can already see how good it look on the top. But actually, you also want to get down inside the shell where the back of the meat is, because that's meat as well. So you also want to season that, flavor that up. So all you have to do is basically just lift it up. Let's put some of the sauce at the back of it. Like right in there. So you want to get some of that flavor down off in there as well. So we're going to put them in the oven at 375 for 20 minutes. But I'm going to take them out in 10 and I'm going to rebaste them again with this seasoning. So in 10 minutes we'll come back and rebaste them. Okay, we're back. We have them out for 10 minutes. See, they've already started changing colors, like turning red. That's what they do as they starting to get done. I'm going to go back in. Alright, so we're going to go back in about another maybe 7 or 8 minutes instead of 10. And we're going to bring those back out. Okay, we have them out now. And this is what they look like. So I hope you like the recipe. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you think. And let me know if you have any suggestions on how you do yours. And thank you for watching.